How many of you like spicy foods? If you do, then you like canned pickled asparagus. My mom looked up a recipe off Pinterest and made some cans of asparagus, and we loved them. This is important because it is a good snack when you have friends and family over. In this speech, I'll be informing you on how to make pickled asparagus, by what ingredients and utensils you need, the canning process, and how long you have to wait before you can eat the asparagus. First, I'll be showing you the utensils. According to Nicole Johnson from odo.com, you have to use a canner, lids, rings, which are in that pot, and spoons, and then jars, and then a can lifter. For the ingredients, you'll need to dump 4 cloves of garlic in there. We like our asparagus spicier, so we put 5 peppers in there, and then you'll need 1 tablespoon of dill seed. Next, you'll have to cut the asparagus, the bottoms of them, off so the top is right here, so you can dump the brine into the jar. Next, you'll use the brine consists of 3 cups of white vinegar, 3 cups of water, and then 3/8 cups of kosher salt. So you'll dump it into the jar so we're the same place where the asparagus are. And after this, we'll have to put a lid and rings on to seal the jar shut so you can can it. According to Pam for theloveofcooking.net, this was her recipe, so that we just used that. After you're done with this, you'll have to put it into the canner. So once you fill it to here, you'll dry off the edges with a paper towel. And you put the lid into boiling water so it will seal and dry it off. Then you'll put it on top and then wipe it off again and then put the ring on it. And then use this to put it into the canning. You have to make sure it's fully submerged underwater so the lid will form onto the can. And you have to keep it in there for 10 minutes. And then once you take it out, it'll look like this. And you have to wait 2 weeks for it to be fully done and you can eat them. But to make sure you don't have to refrigerate it, you have to push down this, and if it doesn't push down, then you know it's good and you don't have to refrigerate it. But if it does go up and down, then you have to put it in the refrigerator because it didn't fully seal on. Today I've informed you on how to make canned asparagus, what ingredients and utensils you need to use, the canning process, and how long you have to wait before you can eat the asparagus. Thank you.